You're making £10,000, £20,000, or even £50,000 a month, but the bank balance still looks as though you've only made £3,000 a month. You're working harder, but wealth, well, that's still missing. The number one mistake six-figure businesses make, and no, it's not hiring, it's not bad marketing, and it's not the economy. It's this. You scaled revenue, but you never scaled your financial system, and it's bleeding your business dry. £100,000 a year sounds like a success until you realize that £8,000 a month isn't profit, it's potential. Most founders think they are doing well because Stripe is pinging. But here's what they don't see coming. They don't see of that £8,000 a month, that £2,000 of that is ads, £1,500 is for your team, £1,200 is things like softwares and different tools. Part of that £8,000, you've got £2,500 for personal spending. After all of that calculation, it works out that your net bank balance is minus £200. You made six figures and somehow ended up in your overdraft. Unfortunately, this is actually the reality for most people. Here's the real problem. You run a revenue business, not a cash business. You set revenue goals, but no profit targets. You hire before forecasting. You spend like you've almost made next month's money. The number one mistake, you scale chaos and not clarity. I had a client who was doing £250 a year. It looked great on paper, but no cash buffer, hadn't paid her sales in months, and owed £14,000 to HMRC. Why? Because she didn't forecast or separate profit from operations. Here's the simple fix I give six-figure founders. Revenue doesn't equal wealth. Cash rules the game. And profit comes first, not last. Use this 5. Now, I'm about to show you a 5-bucket system that you should use every month. So use this 5-bucket system every month. Number 1 is your income account, where all revenue lands. All of the money from your Stripe account, transfers to your bank account, all goes into this account. Then you've got your tax account. Move 20 to 25% the day it lands immediately. So potentially open up another bank account only for your taxes. Number 3, you've got your owner's pay. Fixed amount based on forecast. So decide just how much you're actually going to pay yourself each month. What I tend to see a lot of founders doing, they tend to take money from the business as and when they want. And sometimes they lose track of what that amount is, and that can actually spiral out of control. Pay yourself £2,500, keep it within £2,500, and you know personally that you have to budget within that £2,500, right? Number 4, we've got operating expenses. You've got teams, tools, and delivery. Number 5, you've got your profit buffer. This is your emergency fund for your business. Now I'm going to lead you to decide the percentage because each business runs differently. But here's a quick graphic on the screen. Revenue, sort it, run lean, pay yourself, sleep better at night. Revenue, sort out your revenues as it comes in, sort it out, run lean, pay yourself, then sleep better at night. Let me show you how this works in real life. So you've got client 1 and they have £15,000 a month doing a coaching business. Before, they had zero amount in tax reserves, overpaying team, and random expenses. After 3 months on this plan, £8,000 a month personal pay, £4,200 a month from profit buffer, and taxes forecast and covered. She didn't need more sales, she needed a cash system. Simple. If this hit home and you know you're scaling with no strategy, grab the free profit clarity planner in the description. It's the exact system I use with 6 to 7 figure founders. Because what you keep is more important than what you make. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share this content. We'll continue to do our best to make more videos that will help your business scale and to scale more profitably.